this is Judy Momadine, and I want to talk to you today about how you can create a playlist to curate content for students in the classroom. Now, in a previous video, I talked about how you can create your own YouTube channel and the benefits of that, because if you have your own YouTube channel for students, then you can really fine-tune and finesse the content that is shown. I'm right here, I'm on the home page, and you can see what kind of what kind of content is here. And I did put my profile into restricted mode. You can see that there. And even in restricted mode, it doesn't guarantee that what I am looking at is going to be appropriate for minors. I'm going to go ahead and go into my channel. And when I go into my channel then, which is a URL that you can set up either on your desktop or on your iOS, and you can really customize it. Now currently I don't have anything customized on this channel, and that is why you're not seeing any content here. Now I'm going to go onto it. You can see here that I have on my channel now, I can add this section. I have a subscription to the SciShow for kids, and that makes it really easy. I can add that section into my channel so that it will show up on my home screen of my channel. And look, it gives me some possibilities there. So I'm going to make sure that that's there. Fantastic. That's done. By the way, if you upload a video, that's going to be one of the first things that probably pops up. I don't have any videos on this, so it's not going to show. Now I'm going to add another section. And when I add another section, I'm going to add sections related to a playlist, because I'm going to create some topics, some videos that are related to topics related to what we're researching or studying. So in particular right now, we're looking at gender inequality because we are learning about the Sustainable Development Goals. So there you have it. We are going to look at a playlist of videos related to that content. So right now, I don't have any playlists, so nor can I select someone else's playlist. If I had another playlist that was interesting, I could just copy and paste those, another viewer's or users' playlist into my channel, and that's pretty nifty. I can also find a playlist. That makes it sort of easy to do, but I don't have any of those, so that's not going to work, right? So we're not going to do it that way. Instead, we are going to create a playlist. So when you do that, you are going to come into your playlist section, and you're going to create a new playlist. And this is going to be called Gender Inequality. Look, perfect, right? Now I have to decide when I create this playlist, am I going to make it public? That means anyone on YouTube can see it. Unlisted means anyone who has a link can view it. So this is great if you were to send it out to parents or other people in the community outside of your classroom. And then private would be just those individuals or collaborators or viewers, like just yourself, who can access the channel. It is the most limited viewing option. I'm going to make it unlisted because I want to just show it to people with the link, and I'm going to create it. Now, currently, there's nothing in here, so that's sort of boring. I'm going to go in and look at some videos for gender inequality. Gender inequality. Now, not everything that pops up is going to be appropriate, but it's going to be probably fairly decent because I do have restriction mode on there. So that helps. Let's say, oh, I really like this speech by Emma Watson, and I want to add that to, I'm not going to play it. I want to add that to the playlist. So I'm going to go down here to where it looks like a sandwiches and a plus sign. And I'm going to click on that. And when I do that, I can tap on that gender inequality. And now you'll see down at the bottom that there it is. It's already on the list. I don't have to do anything. Well, that was easy, right? What about if I wanted to, what are some other videos? Well, let's see here. I really like, being born a girl in China. That might be sort of interesting. Now, of course, I really want to watch these videos. I haven't watched this. I don't know, is this appropriate or not? But just for today's introduction, we're just going to make it quite simple. And I'm just going to click and tap and put it in there. Again, here we go. Put in gender inequality. There's my playlist. Now, when I go into my channel, you're going to see on my home screen, which sometimes it does take some time. I'm going to go to customize channel. That I'm going to add a section now that's going to be related to my playlist. I'm going to put in here a single playlist because that's all I have, or a save playlist, which is another feature. And I'm going to go into here, and what kind of playlist is it? Well, it's I don't have the URL. My playlist. I'm going to find my playlist. It's called Gender Inequality. And then I'm going to click on Done. And now when you get to the home screen, this is what's going to pop up for that channel. Beautiful, right? Now you can really curate content and make it easier for students to view appropriate content. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.